How are you feeling?
Good.
Feels like I'm getting zapped.
Got a little couples date going on in the flux room. The couples that flux together stay together. That's what my clients say, at least. And we're fixing his little foot because he's kicked too many people in the face in his previous life in martial arts. So we've been working on like the feet and the ankles, and it's a lovely day. So this is pretty much what the dates usually consist of. You're getting electrocuted and hotter, and play on your phones and stuff. Y'all have been working though too, haven't you?
A whole lot.
Oh,
Yeah. Isn't that awesome? They're like working together, having a date night, and getting hot together at the same time. That's like real power couple stuff right there.
And
Like,
sending memes back and forth.
that's perfect. I love it. That's like a love language. It really is.
It is.